Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best folding electric scooters that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Segway Ninebot Electric Kick Scooter Foldable Scooter. Here is a safe and comfortable electric foldable scooter that will assure you of a great ride. The scooter features shock-absorbing rear and front wheels that bring about a comfortable ride. Besides this, the scooter also features an anti-locking braking system, which keeps it safe and ideal for all riders. The lightweight and foldable design imply that it is a portable scooter you can in different places. The scooter is very powerful thanks to the 300W motor that delivers a speed of up to 15 miles per hour. The payload of the scooter is 220 pounds, hence recommended for kids and adults. The scooter features the anti-theft mechanism, which keeps safe from thieves, hence an exceptional pick you need to try out. At number 4. Magnum Bikes Premium Electric Scooter. When you need the perfect electric scooter that will serve you longer and still delivers great speed, this is a scooter to try out. The scooter has been built from extremely durable material, which makes it excellent for long-term service. Due to the lightweight and foldable design, the scooter is easily portable to different places for a great ride. In addition to this, it is a safe scooter with a wide and non-slip deck, making it excellent for all users. The powerful 500W motor makes it very convenient and able to deliver high speed. It, therefore, moves a speed of 20 miles per hour, which makes it excellent for attaining even higher speed. With a safe and reliable braking system, the scooter offers a very safe ride just as expected. At number 3. Adult Scooter with 3 seconds Easy Folding System. For the beginner, please try to wear comfortable clothes, helmet and protective equipment to make sure safety. Please choose the suitable place where there is no obstructions, vehicles and pedestrians. If you're looking for the best kick scooter to meet your needs as a city, school commuting, this kick scooter is your first choice. The adjustable two-wheel scooter provides comfort and fast riding experience when speedy commute or trip around town or school, safety and comfort. The lightweight aluminum frame and kickboard can hold riders up to 220 pounds and suitable for adult, teens and children. Besides, a 3 scooter can help children and teens to develop their balance and coordination. At number 2. Swagger Pro Foldable Electric Scooter. Meet the next evolution in intelligent personal transportation, the Swagger 3. Built to cover serious ground, this electric scooter is light, easy to fold, and uses a high-torque 250W hub motor. Smart features like cruise control and USB charging make the Swagger 3 the best way to get around whether it's rolling through your neighborhood or navigating campus. 3 riding modes let you find your most comfortable max throttle speed. Engage cruise control with the push of a button. Track essential stats on the backlit LED display. Monitor vital info, including speed and battery life, while keeping your eyes on the road. And finally at number 1. Gotrax GXL V2 Commuting Electric Scooter. The Gotrax GXL electric scooter. With a boosted 250-watt engine, your GXL e-scooter can reach a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Cruise casually to and from the grocery store or make it on time to that lecture on the other side of campus. And with a total range of 9 to 12 miles on a single battery charge, you'll never have to worry whether or not you'll make it to your next destination. Stand out from the other commuting electric scooters by blending in. The GXL scooter is crafted with a sleek, wireless design so you arrive in seamless style, every time. But you're not trading in durability and function for style. The GXL electric scooter comes with a fortified frame and specially designed features. The GXL e-scooter is equipped with a dynamic handlebar display built right in, meaning you can keep track of your battery life, headlights, and speed all at the touch of your fingers. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.